Yan guys, panoorin natin guys. May rider guys, delivery, at yung babae bumaba. Yan guys, nantayin niya yung order guys. At yan, tumitingin pa yung lalaki guys. Bumaba siya sa motor niya guys. At maya kinuha niya yung order niya guys sa box at iabot niya sa babae. Yan guys, iabot na dyan guys, iabot na niya. At maya guys ay biglang natumba ang babae guys dahil sumabit yung wire earphone niya guys, kaya natumba siya guys. Kaya mag-iingat kayo guys pag ganyan guys. At thank you for watching guys.